Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Feedly to follow trends for LinkedIn engagement, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for Feedly, www.feedly.com. Press the enter key. Once the page loads, look for the Get Started for Free button on the homepage. Click on that button. You will see options to log in or create a new account. If you already have an account, click on the Login button. If you don't, you can choose to sign up using your Google, Facebook, or email account. For this guide, let's log in using Google. Click on the Login with Google option. A pop-up window will appear asking for your Google credentials. Enter your Google email address. Click Next. Now enter your Google account password. Click Next again. You will be redirected back to the Feedly homepage. You should now see your Feedly dashboard. To follow trends for LinkedIn engagement, look for the search bar at the top. Type in keywords related to LinkedIn engagement like LinkedIn marketing or LinkedIn trends. Press enter to search. You will see a list of sources and articles related to your search. Find the ones that interest you. Hover over each source, and you will see options to follow. Click on the Follow button next to the desired source. Choose a category to add this source to, or create a new one. Repeat this process for any additional sources you want to follow. Once you have followed multiple sources, return to your dashboard. Look for the category you just created. You can now click on it to see the latest articles and trends. Regularly check your Feedly dashboard for updates. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.